What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best solar system security cameras for 2023 in this video. Know the product's price, any questions, or more products information from the link in the description. We are updating the best prices for the best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get started. Number 5, SoloCam E40. The Eufy SoloCam E40 outdoor solar system security camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and cost-effective security camera solution. This wireless camera system is designed for outdoor use and features a 2K resolution, a 90 decibels alarm, and an IP65 weatherproof rating. One of the best things about the SoloCam E40 is that there are no monthly fees required for data storage. The camera features 8 GB of local storage, which can hold at least 2 months of footage. This storage is protected by military-grade encryption, so your data is kept safe and private. The camera's on-device AI is another standout feature. It only notifies you when people are detected, which helps to reduce false alerts triggered by passing animals or swaying tree branches. This feature helps to save time and also helps to prevent unnecessary notifications. Setting up the SoloCam E40 is easy, and it's completely standalone. There's no need for home base, and because it's wire-free, it takes just minutes to install anywhere around your home. The 2.6 watts high-efficiency solar panel means that with just a few hours of direct sunlight every day, your camera will stay charged around the clock. Overall, the Eufy SoloCam E40 outdoor solar system security camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable security camera solution. With its advanced features and easy setup, it's a great investment for any homeowner who wants to keep their property safe and secure. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4, Solome S800. The Solome S800 solar system security camera is an excellent choice for people looking for a reliable and cost-effective outdoor security camera system. This wireless security camera is easy to install, and its built-in rechargeable battery means it can function without power cables. The camera is compatible with a solar panel that can provide a continuous power supply for extended usage. One of the most notable features of the Solome S800 security camera is its 4 pieces wide LED light that can capture clear, colorful videos at night. The motion-activated spotlight is triggered by motion and sends a push notification to your phone instantly. This feature allows you to see more valuable details in the dark and alert you to any intruder. The PTZ wireless security camera can rotate 355 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, providing a much wider and more flexible view for home security indoors or outdoors. This feature is perfect for monitoring large areas and reducing blind spots. The Solome S800 security camera is equipped with the latest PER sensor with an angle of 130 degrees and a range of more than 26 feet. The updated algorithm software reduces false alarms, and the true 1080p of the outdoor camera provides richer colors and allows you to capture more video details around the clock. The solar panel is made of high-quality materials and is IP66 level waterproof, making it more durable and long-lasting. This feature is especially useful in areas where there are frequent weather changes or strong winds. In conclusion, the Solome S800 solar system security camera is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable, cost-effective, and easy-to-install outdoor security camera system. With its advanced features, including night vision, motion detection, and solar panel compatibility, you can be confident that your home is always protected. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3, Ring Spotlight Cam Pro. The Ring Spotlight Cam Pro solar system security camera is a must-have device for anyone looking to secure their home. With advanced features like 3D motion detection, two-way talk with Audio Plus, and dual-band Wi-Fi, this camera provides top-notch protection for your property. One of the standout features of the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro is its advanced 3D motion detection, which uses radar to detect movement around your home. This ensures that you'll always be alerted to suspicious activity, even if someone is trying to sneak around undetected. The camera also comes with a solar panel, which allows you to easily power your device without worrying about running out of batteries. The quick-release battery pack is also included, so you can easily swap out batteries if needed. The camera's 1080p HDR video and 140 degrees field of view provides clear, detailed footage of everything happening around your home. And with color night vision, you'll be able to see what's happening even in low light conditions. One of the most useful features of the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro is two-way talk with Audio Plus. This allows you to communicate with anyone around your home, whether it's a delivery driver dropping off a package or a potential intruder trying to break in. And with motion notifications, you'll be alerted to any activity around your home no matter where you are. Overall, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Solar System Security Camera is an excellent investment for anyone looking to secure their home. With advanced features, easy installation, and a range of useful tools, this camera provides the ultimate in-home security. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. Reolink. The Reolink Solar Wi-Fi System Security Camera is a reliable and efficient option for outdoor security surveillance. It is an excellent solution for those who want to monitor their property without the hassle of cords and cables. The camera is wireless and can be mounted anywhere with no cords or cables required. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that can last for extended periods, and you can even add a Reolink solar panel to provide continuous power. This feature eliminates the need to climb up and down ladders to recharge the battery periodically. The 100 degrees per detecting angle and customizable siren feature make the camera an effective deterrent to threats. The camera sends push notifications and email alerts instantly when motion is detected, allowing you to take immediate action against any uninvited visitors. The camera has a CMOS sensor that provides a crystal clear view in 1080p Full HD, even at night. The infrared LEDs that illuminate up to 33 feet offer excellent night vision, enabling you to see further. Additionally, the 6x digital zoom feature allows you to see more details in the footage. The camera is also designed to withstand demanding weather conditions like rain, shine, or cold. Its easy setup feature allows you to install and set up the camera within 5 minutes. Overall, the Reolink Solar Wi-Fi System Security Camera is a high-quality and reliable option for outdoor security surveillance. Its features, including motion detection, night vision, and wireless connectivity, make it an excellent investment for those looking for a hassle-free security solution. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1, Alwevi. The Alwevi Solar System Security Camera is a highly recommended outdoor security camera that offers a range of features to keep your home safe and secure. Whether you are looking to monitor your front yard, backyard, or any other outdoor space, this camera has you covered. One of the standout features of this camera is its solar power source, which allows for uninterrupted use and eliminates the need for manual charging. The 9000 mAh rechargeable battery can be charged through the solar panel or USB cable, providing you with 365 days of uninterrupted protection. In terms of image quality, the Alwevi Solar System Security Camera offers an advanced 2K 3MP optical lens and a 1/3 CMOS color sensor, ensuring that you can capture detailed and clear graphics and videos, even in low light conditions. Additionally, the upgraded high-power white light and built-in infrared LED array provide a night vision range of 7 to 10 meters, allowing you to see any corner you want to monitor. The camera also features PER-sensing technology, which intelligently distinguishes people, cars, pets, and other objects, and pushes alerts in real time to the Vico Home app. You can customize monitoring areas and receive remote warnings in emergency situations. The built-in microphone and speaker also allow for two-way communication, allowing you to talk with family and friends in real time. Overall, the Alwevi Solar System Security Camera is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality outdoor security camera. With its solar power source, advanced image quality, durable construction, and intelligent monitoring features, it provides complete peace of mind and ensures your home safety. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.